In today's modern, technology-driven world, we own many kinds of smart devices. Phones, tablets, notebooks, and desktops. Even our TVs are connected computers. Lately, these devices have become consistent in terms of how powerful they are and what they can do.
4-bit desktop class architecture.
Mobile devices have become extremely capable computers.
2 gigabytes.
And as you can see
While
from
traditional
its size,
notebooks and PCs have shrunk in size and use less power.
Even lighter.
Although these devices may converge on the inside, they still remain different on the outside. The size of their screen and the way we interact with them allow each of these devices to perform different tasks better. A phone is great for texting your friends or taking quick photos, but a notebook is far more productive. We're constantly trying to keep our devices synchronized using the cloud and portable storage, but this can be tedious and unreliable. Using all our devices together can be a disjointed experience. But what if there was one device that could be all of your devices? A phone that uses docks to change its shape and user interface. It's called Seed, the phone that grows. There's a tablet dock, a notebook dock, a desktop dock, and a TV dock, each with their own compartment to hold the phone that powers them. The phone does all the thinking and stores all the data, while the docks simply change the form factor and trigger a different user interface. Magnets hold the phone firmly in place and make sure it's docked correctly. Spring-loaded pins allow the phone to communicate with the docks, doing away with delicate connectors and charging the phone's battery. Everything is locally synchronized through the phone, so you'd have the same apps across all your devices. You'd have a unified app store, data consistency, a single wireless plan, and huge savings on your resources. There are so many scenarios in which Seed could improve our experience with technology. But for Seed to go from concept to reality, it needs the right companies and people. And you can help by spreading the word. Visit seedphone.com to share your Seed scenario and tell us how Seed would benefit you. Seed, the phone that grows.